it's not about range of motion, it's about freedom of movement, to really make that distinction. So a lot of spinal issues are coming from the organs, and the lungs are a wonderful place to explore that. The glands are not separate units, even though they're not touching each other directly. They're related as a unit. We're not touching each other necessarily at the moment, but we're still dependent on each other in creating the field that we are in. And in a way, we all have issues, right? That we're wanting to uncover the path. And the issues in the beginning can cause a lot of distress, whether it's psychological or physical or cultural. But in the end, as we absorb it and follow it and find the path, it becomes a great strength. It's not a strength in the beginning, but it can become a strength, a great strength. I'm looking at the patterns before the trauma. And at that level, when we can integrate them by perceiving them, not by manipulating them, the patterns of trauma can be absorbed and become great strengths of compassion and wisdom. The body, movement, and consciousness are intimately intertwined. Each influences the others. How we embody our physical structure influences our movement and consciousness. Although we often think of movement and touch as being muscle-based, all of the body systems play important roles in the support and articulation of our body and are expressed as a wide range of movement qualities in consciousness. Organs and glands bring special qualities to this complex and fascinating interplay. Organs have a foundational role in our survival. They allow us to breathe, be nourished, and discard unneeded substances. They develop very early in the embryological process and underlie the development of other body systems. If there's a difficulty in alignment, flexibility, or strength, initiating movement or sound from the organs, or working with them through touch, can provide ways to change the skeletomuscular system. Organs provide three-dimensionality to our movement, depth to the voice, and access to deep changes in the neuromuscular system through touch. They bring forth the emotional content that is inherent in the expression of movement and voice, and provide depth and contact with the emotional content underlying stress and ease in the tissues of the body in hands-on work with others. Endocrine glands are our major chemical governing system. They act as a bridge between the organs and nervous system. Through embodying the glands, we express specific states of consciousness. Each gland offers highly different and distinct states, from internal stillness to chaos. Endocrine glands affect not only their immediate physical location, but the entire spine and specific and direct areas of the limbs. Initiating movement or sound in the glands, or working hands-on with them, can bring increased mobility, strength, and balance to the spine, integrated with freedom and subtle articulation through the limbs. In this course, we explore opening awareness to the physical and expressive foundation of organs and glands. Explorations also draw from other body systems, from embryological development, and from applications to movement, touch, voice, and consciousness. Our psychophysical geography, anatomy, and history, embryological development, help us discover where we are in this body and how we got here. Exploring organs and glands through embodied movement, touch, and voice opens a path to an inner feeling of authenticity, three-dimensional presence, and organic movement.